Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to a new video on Neiro. Have covered this once before, but obviously had to cover it. I mean, it's been the most bullish big crypto in the last couple of days. Did a 7x from the bottom right here, or more than a 7x even, going from 2.3 cents all the way up to 17 cents. So just wanted to make a quick video. Giving you my thoughts, doing a technical analysis here on Neiro, and just in general talking about what's possible here. Like, can we actually rally up higher? I think you should be careful with this. It's super bullish, of course, right here, but there are some technical indications that we are about to turn bearish, and there is very likely some bigger entity behind this. All right, we all know that Wintermute is behind Neiro, which is one of the biggest market makers in crypto, and they've pushed up a lot of coins over the last 2 years, but even longer, and they are going to make a profit on this. All right, and so far we've seen one big sell-off yesterday afternoon when the market also caved a bit. I do think at some point of time we're going to get a bigger sell-off on Neiro. All right, so be careful for that. Don't get trapped. But let's look at what's going on right now. So with all that bullish momentum, what Neiro did earlier on yesterday is we broke above this level right here between 12 and 12.5 cents. Was a significant key level here. So breaking above that was bullish. It's a bullish breakout, and then we held the level as well, which at that point of time also housed the 382 fib. So that's bullish. And we pumped again, as to be expected. We got a bullish breakout. We're respecting the main key level we broke above, and we still had a ton of momentum. Now, I cannot, like, this is the momentum from Bybit, right? So this does not, yeah, it includes Binance as well, but it doesn't give the full image. But what we saw is actually after the listing is mainly a sell-off. So what we have right now is, yes, we are getting a pump in, but there are some major divergences now, bearish divergences, which means that the price is making a higher high here against our main resistance level, which is 17.5 cents, psychological level, again, also historically a strong key level. So the only reason why I do think Neiro has a chance to rally up higher, which some of you might not like to hear, but is the fact that there is some manipulation behind this. All right, that's why I think we can still break out, because if you just look at the technicals, we have a strong resistance here at 17.5 cents, and we have a double divergence with the momentum, like both the open interest and the RSI is making lower highs while the price is making a higher high. Usually that's the top. All right, usually the price falls down there, and that's also why I have to tell you, I think it's most likely we'll drop back down into that level around 12 cents. And if we're unlucky, we even give up that level, and then there's trouble, because if we lose 12 cents, we're basically back in this whole vacuum again, where we can fall down a lot in a short period of time, even though I do think 10 cents would hold, right? So that's not too much. But this is most likely. We're getting some bearish, big bearish divergences on the technicals. The market as a whole is also not great, and it's the weekend. There's always less momentum in the weekend. So that's why I think it's most likely. Now, do I think you need to short Neiro here then? No, I'm personally thinking about shorting it, but trading this and shorting this either way is just difficult to do. And like I said, there always is a possibility that we do continue here, due to the fundamentals and due to the factors pushing up Neiro in the first place. So keep your eyes on 17.5 cents regardless. Like, if that breaks, I will still buy, even though I think it's most likely here that will dump a little bit at least. So those are my thoughts. On the short term, I'll keep you updated on this, of course, but for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.